This is Dr. V. Narayan Reddy, heading CSR function of Dr. Reddy's. We at Dr. Reddy's are driven by the conviction good health can't wait and the principles of empathy and dynamism. This belief and purpose not only drives our business but also reflects in our social commitment. Our founder, Dr. K. Anjireddy's work in the field of philanthropy is legendary. His sustained efforts have positively impacted the lives of many. He set up institutions like Dr. Reddy's Foundation and Nandi Foundation way before the CSR Act came into existence in India. Under the able leadership of our chairman Satish Reddy and co-chairman and managing director G.V. Prasad, the organization continues to implement number of initiatives in the areas of education, livelihood and healthcare in partnership with like-minded organizations. By adopting a collaborative and sustainable approach, these initiatives cater to range of population covering infants to the elderly. Further efforts are directed towards empowering girl children and women through various activities. In education, our focus is on providing enhanced quality of education to the children coming from the less privileged backgrounds through various initiatives such as Kallam Anjireddy Vidyalaya, Pudami Schools, Kallam Anjireddy Vocational Junior College and School Improvement Program. Together, these initiatives benefit more than 1 lakh students. In health, our key initiative is Community Health Intervention Program, generally we call it CHIP program, focuses on the delivery of primary health care, including maternal and neonatal health care, and appropriate dissemination of health-related information to the rural population which does not have access to the reliable health care. The program covers 166 villages of Andhra Pradesh, benefiting more than 2 lakh people. CHIP's intervention has resulted in happier and healthier communities. In skilling, Grow, our placement-linked skilling program, aims at delivering high-quality skill training to youth to help them get better skills and jobs. Similarly, Grow, for specially abled, focuses on skilling people with orthopedic challenges, hearing, speech and visual impairment on core employability skills. Further, our livelihood initiative marking integrated transformation for resourceful agriculture, generally we call it Mitra program. This focuses on empowering small and marginal farmers by nurturing them to adapt latest technologies and best farming practices. In addition to these programs, many other initiatives are taken from time to time to support the communities. These include initiatives such as establishing community RO water plants, reviving lakes, toilet construction, to name a few. By undertaking various such social initiatives over the years, the organization has been instrumental in empowering the communities. Thus, in line with the organization's purpose and belief, we will continue to catalyze replicable, sustainable, and innovative actions for social change through our CSR. Thank you.